Welcome back to Nippert Stadium, where renovation and construction continues here on the campus of the University of Cincinnati. I'm Tom Gelehrter, happy today to catch up with project manager Bob Marton. And Bob, for the first time since this project began in December, we are doing an update without heavy coats on. The weather has turned, and I imagine everybody involved is happy about that.
They're loving it. They're loving it. So long as it's dry, it's good weather to work. Yep.
Good news right now that the deep drilling is done, and all of that can move forward now?
That contractor is clearing his drill bits out and his heavy equipment, and now we're transitioning over to a tieback system and a grade beam system and pier caps, and we're connecting all those drilled piers together so that we could get our foundation work going above grade.
As you can see, all the piers are pretty much ready now to be connected from the front line to the back line. But one of the things we talked about last time was the support beams for a top-heavy building. All of those have been deep drilled and are ready now as well?
All right, the angular tiebacks are done, and they're not stressed or anything like that. They're just there for stability, so they're not pre-tension or post-tension. It's just a connection point into the rock to keep our building stable once it gets above grade.
Now that the piers and the tiebacks and all of that are ready, are we seeing more of the clearing of the ground where we'll see steel and concrete and everything start to come in over the next 6 to 8 weeks?
Right. Steel is still on schedule to start first week in June. Behind the scenes, they're receiving all the raw materials in the fab shops, and we're taking trips out to the fabricators' facilities to inspect it and make sure it's ready to go for our building. So that in June and July will be an interesting time to watch our webcam and see the building take shape.
Now, where we are standing right now on a day like this, there would have been students sitting all over the place eating lunch. Not the case anymore, as a lot of those stairs and steps are gone. But this whole area will be rebuilt in the end?
Right. We're standing on Bearcat Plaza. Like you said, it used to be trees and pavers, but now it's going to be transformed into a big hole over the next month, and we're going to be building restrooms and concessions inside this area, but then it will be topped back off again with a terrace so that we could still have a complete view of the field and of all of our beautiful surrounding buildings.
So in about 16 months, folks will be able to come here, use the restroom, grab a hot dog, maybe a beer, go back to their seat. But in the meantime, we stand here amongst a bunch of rocks and dirt.
That's correct.
All right, Bob, as always, we appreciate you taking some time to chat.
My pleasure. Thank you.
All right, that is Bob Marton. I am Tom Gelehrter at Nippert Stadium, where renovation and construction continue. Make sure you keep it locked here to GoBearcats.com.